Hope everybody had an absolutely wonderful week. I had a great week, and this is the portfolio review. And yes, I'm not in the office. Stand by. Before we get into this, I do need to do that wonderful thing that I know everybody absolutely loves. So welcome again to the Week in Review. And as you know, I am not a financial advisor. I don't play one on TV. I'm just some boring old guy that is saving up for my retirement. And these are the things that I'm doing. So anything you do, make sure you check a financial advisor and everything else. I'm actually doing this Friday evening. We're out at our annual Halloween camping event in Virginia Beach. Great time. There's a video. If you go further back in the history of Life of a Boring Old Guy, there is another video. I'm actually joined this evening by Kelly and Morgan. You don't need to wave. She waved, by the way, just so you know. Waiting on my sister to arrive. We are staying in the cabins back here, getting them all decorated. Ours is actually already decorated. And you can see the vehicles in the way. But anyway, so let's get into the week in review. So if I can get to this to work. Before I go any further, great video this week on my trading. Just some really simple rules that I follow when I am trading. Highly encourage you to go look at it. It's what has really made me successful the past 2 years now. Since October of 2023, I'm at a 98% success rate, which is phenomenal as far as I'm concerned. I was 100% for a while, but only 98% now. But hey, that's what happens. Go check that video out. I think that video is absolutely fantastic. I think you'll absolutely love it. Update on the deck, you're going to hear laughter beside me also, as these two are. Morgan's got the hiccups and Kelly's laughing, so you're going to hear stuff in the background. But hey, as it is. So, update on the ULTY experiment. That's totally we have received from ULTY for the past 3 weeks, $596, almost $600. We have $1,300 in savings, and we still need $4,500. Okay, distribution this week. Good week in distributions. It was down from last week, but we already know that last week had a very huge. We knew that this week was going to be a little bit lower because the week prior we had a fantastic week with Coin and Robinhood, so we knew it was going to be a little bit down this week. I think potentially maybe up. The market went crazy today, though. We were out again. I'm day off today. I'm not doing any trading, not doing anything other than doing the update with you. I also looked up and there was a dive, and everybody's talking about buy stuff cheap. Not too sure what happened. I'll dig into that and find out, but I don't care. My money's still working for me while I'm not working, and that's just the way it is. So again, here is our update on everything. Down $100, 13%. NVIDIA was fantastic. It was up. YMAX was up. We're going to talk about some of those in a few moments. Had a great week trading. Had 3 trades. I closed out that SoFi trade you saw from last week. I did a day trade on HIMS and also on Bitminer, so added another $586 to the account. Not my money. That is the house's money. We're going to take that house money and put it straight towards our investment and build that income snowball. So thank you to the market for giving me those. Absolutely fantastic. So for the month, we've added almost $1,000 to our portfolio, Bitcoin, Roth, ETFs. Hey, by the way, before I go any further on this, I do need to thank everybody who has been watching these videos and subscribing. We are this close to getting 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I greatly appreciate it. Kelly and Morgan would greatly appreciate it also. So please subscribe. You can also follow my portfolio on Blossom. Everything that I'm doing, every trade that I do is on there. There's also an extra link in the description from the past video where every trade that I do, I put every trade that's in there. 115 trades since October of 2023. It's all there. Dates, times, money, everything. Check that out. If you want to follow that, you can do that as well. And of course, you can always buy me a beer or a coffee, whichever you prefer. Completely up to you. So let's get back into this. All right, so again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Lots of great content, a lot of cool stuff that is coming down the road. So we took that money, we reinvested it, paid another $31, almost $32 on my credit card, bought more Bitcoin in Robinhood and in Coinbase. Also, of course, reinvested back into the different positions that we have. Added something to everybody this time. Was able to get 10 more, almost 11 in ULTY. I'm excited. I got almost 2 in the Robinhood and another 1 in Palantir. And NVIDIA, which has just been steady. NVIDIA has just been steady for the past few weeks since I've had it. So very happy about adding more NVIDIA to my portfolio. The Grant shares is just absolutely fantastic. Love it to death. So here's the total holdings for the week ending today, October the 10th. Again, ULTY is that big one because that's the one we're using to pay for the deck. Next week, so here's what we're looking at for next week. Both Coin and Robinhood are up for next week. 143 for Robinhood. I am so excited to be part of Robinhood. Robinhood just taking everything that I see out there on Robinhood that people are talking about Robinhood, all the ETFs, and just Robinhood together. I am so excited that I am a part of that and getting a part of that. So that's what we're looking at for next week. NVIDIA is down just a little bit. Palantir is down just a little bit. I'm not worried about it one bit. Balances for the week, so down a little bit. So here's what's really interesting about this. When you look at my balances, that actually, so I do this after the market closes at 4 o'clock. That's when I take all my balances and I put them in there. Today, like I said earlier, during the day, something happened in the market. It must have been because of shutdown. I'm sorry. I've got the day off. I'm not paying attention to anything in the market, so I could care less. But something happened. And so all my balances, I was at 46, which was nice. But look, I'm barely down in my account. And that's because of what we added in our ETF incomes and then also in the trading. So I'm content with that. Next week, everything is going to be back up. I have absolutely no doubt. So for the week, here's what we did for the week. For 2 weeks, we are at $1,200 in income. That's fantastic. Absolutely love it. And of course, we have to talk about our estimates for the month. So I'm estimating $580 for next week, maybe a little bit higher. But again, trying to keep it conservative. However, with the last 2 weeks, the monthly, I think we're going to hit 2,300, almost 2,400 for this month, which is good, and that's without that extra week. And then for the year, 1 year forecast, $30,000. And again, these are estimates; these are not actuals. And yes, so I am out camping, so there's all kinds of miscellaneous noises and kids on bikes. Thank goodness that the gentleman who is driving his golf cart with all the music is not here. And Kelly's showing me something. Oh, my sister's here, so I need to stop because she's bringing my subs. We're going to drink some more beer. Have yourself an absolutely wonderful weekend and stay safe out there, guys. Bye.